Welcome to the spoken tutorial on arithmetic operators in C and C++. In this tutorial, we will learn about arithmetic operators like addition, example a plus b, subtraction, example a minus b, division, example a by b, multiplication, example a into b, and modulus, example a%b. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu 11.10 as the operating system, GCC and G++ compiler version 4.6.1 in Ubuntu. I will now demonstrate the use of these arithmetic operations with the help of a C program. I've already written the program, so I'll open the editor and explain the code. Here is the C program for arithmetic operators. In the first two statements, the variables are declared and defined. In the next two statements, a is assigned the value of 5 and b is assigned the value of 2. Now let's see how the addition operator works. C holds the sum of a and b. This printf statement displays the sum of a and b on the screen. Here, %.2f provides a precision of 2 digits after the decimal point. In the next statement, C holds the product of a and b. This printf statement displays the product of a and b on the screen. Now let's see how these two operators work. We will comment out the following lines. Type slash asterisk asterisk slash. Click on save. Save the file with extension .c. I have saved my file as arithmetic.c. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously. To compile the code, type the following on the terminal. GCC space arithmetic.c space -o space arith. Press enter. To execute the code, type ./arith. Press enter. The output is displayed on the screen. It shows sum of 5 and 2 is 7 and product of 5 and 2 is 10. Now you should try the subtraction operator on your own. Try replacing the addition operator with the subtraction operator. You should get the result as 3. Coming back to the program and the last set of statements, now I'll explain the code for division. Remove the multi-line comments here and here. In this statement, C holds the value of integer division of a by b. Please note that in integer division, the fractional part is truncated. The printf statement here displays the division output on the screen. In this statement, we are performing real division. Here, one of the operands has to be cast as float. We have typecast variable a. Now a will behave as a float variable for a single operation. The printf statement displays the output of real division on the screen. Type return 0 and close the ending curly brackets. Now click on save. Coming back to the terminal to compile and execute the code. To compile, type GCC space arithmetic.c space -o space arith. Press enter. To execute the code, type dot slash arith. Press enter. The output is displayed on the screen. We have the previous outputs of addition and multiplication operators. We have the integer division of 5 by 2 is 2. We can see that in integer division the fractional part is truncated. Then we have the real division of 5 by 2 is 2.5. In real division the result is as expected. We used typecasting to obtain this result. Now suppose I want to write the same program in C++. Let's see if I can use the same code in C++ too. Let's find out. Let me go back to the editor. Here we have the C++ code. Notice that the header is different from the C file header. Namespace is also used here. Also notice that the output statement in C++ is cout. So apart from these differences, the two codes are very similar. Click on save. Make sure the file is saved with the extension .cpp. I have saved my file as arithmetic.cpp. Let's execute the code and see what results we get. Open the terminal and type g++ space arithmetic.cpp space -o space arith. Press enter. To execute the code, type ./arith. Press enter. Here the output is displayed. So we see that the results are similar to the C program. The only difference is in the precision of outputs. Let us now summarize the tutorial. In this tutorial we learned how to use the arithmetic operators. As an assignment, write a program to demonstrate the use of modulus operator. Please note that modulus operator finds the remainder of division. Example, C is equal to A modulus B. You should obtain the result as 1. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This is Ritvik Joshi from IIT Bombay. Thank you for joining.